Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video we'll be looking on the cockatiel. So guys, we're gonna be looking on the cinnamon cockatiel. So in our previous video, make sure you say cinnamon them layer and then I showed 3 babies like the last time, as well as the 3 babies from the previous batch were still in the coop with them. So now guys, we go there this morning and I check. I mean, say only one baby me I see. When you look guys, 2 of the babies are now deceased. They are no longer here. I think that the big one trampled them. You see me that showing in my video and I myself I forgot to take him out. But it look like I wait too long. So me don't know. So 2 of them have passed. 2 of them are not here anymore. And so we're left with 1 baby. So guys, it's really a sad day. Cause you know, we don't want no harm to bird them. I will love them. Why you think we raise them? No, cause we love them, we love to pet them. Yeah guys, we love to bird them and we just want them survive. Those have baby, we want to baby them come. You know? We just want a for bird. Please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Goodbye, adios.